Yes, let's start with a recap. Yes, let's start with a recap. Yes, yeah, to those who have been seeing all these videos that I've been showing you on how to do the extended dreads, I just want to remember one thing so that we can continue with our tutorial of today. So this is how we have been locking, and I've been telling you that whenever you're locking, you always have to leave that a quarter inch so that you can put the extension without paining. And then another thing, when you apply the extension, try to look here very well, is that I've been using your own hair to pass through the extension. So this is your own hair that I keep on using, so that it is just by side to side until the end. So this is the technique that I've been using when doing the extended dreadlocks. So I'm showing you this in that when it can give you the good I don't know how I can explain, but it can give you like it can show you very well on how to unlock it, like how easy it is, as we're going to be seeing in the video. So let's first do this and we come back.
Morris, the crochet master.
Alright, yes, welcome back from that. And my name is Morris, the crochet master. Yes, it has been long without uploading videos, but just because I've been up and down, and besides I've been sick, so this time around I've decided at least let's try to come back with this. Yeah, Merry Christmas to everyone. Yes, thank you so much for those ones who sent me some good gifts. You're most welcome, and big shout out to everyone who is watching me right now. So this time around we're going to see on how to unlock extended dreadlocks after the 2 years. Yes, this person excuse me, like she did these dreadlocks, and she has been doing the repair for all these 2 years, and now today she decided she want to unplait it. But now all I showed you in the first video is the one that is giving you the reason why we can be able to unlock it. So you can see, like, we unlock as like we are plating, in that you keep on seeing the hair. You understand? You keep on seeing the hair as you're removing it. Then and those ones that seriously, like, the got stuck there. But as long as you can be seeing the hair, so it is always easy for you to unlock it. So she did repair. I remember it was like is it like 8 times? Yes, 8 times. So and today she decided to unlock it, and maybe she can do something else. And people always ask me about these videos and showing them how to unlock the extended dreads, and most of them couldn't believe even that you can unlock it and remain with your hair. So here's the video that is showing you how you can unlock these extended dreadlocks and you get back your hair protected. No matter how your hair is, even if it's straight or natural, you can still get back your hair. So this is how we just keep on unlocking it. So I'd like to shout out to everyone who is watching me wherever you are, and big up to those ones in United States of America, and those ones in UK, those ones in German, those ones in Zambia, Trinidad. I can't forget those ones in Cameroon. Yes, and my people of Kenya, Ghana, Nigeria, yes, South Africa, those people are watching me. Thank you so much. And I can wish you right now a happy new year, because now it's what we're going in. And please, this is what I've been telling you, that you can unlock the extended dreads no matter what. So this is how you just have to keep on unlocking it. Yes, slowly by slowly. It can take like 3 to 4 hours unplating it. Sometimes there's that one that takes even like 2 hours or even one. Yeah, because now if someone had plated it like for 6 months, that is always easy. Yeah, but this one is like for 2 years. So this is how it is taking all this. So guys, extended dread can be unlocked and you get back your hair very, very cleared. And still, I cannot forget to call upon those guys, but that you can please join our membership, because you're missing a lot. You're missing a lot. You can join our membership so that you start enjoying all the special treatment. You know what I'm talking about. So yes, my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and still I'd love to thank everyone who have supported me wherever since we started. You can see how he's removing the hair. You just have to pull out this hair. Maybe now we can see it in this video. So the one next here is the extension. You can see it. Then after seeing where the hair was stopping is where you start pulling it from. So you see how easy it is, as long as you're seeing the hair, because we used to pass it from side to side. So that's how easy it is removing this hair. Yes, so I think for the chapter of the extended dreads, mostly I'm going to just wait for your comment section. Please go in my comment section, tell me what do you still want to learn from the extended dreads, so that I can know before I'm closing each chapter. So please tell me as soon as possible, that I can know, and then we can do something about it. Yes, even if I said out right now, I think it's right, because you're just going to continue saying all this up to the end and see how she got back her hair protected.
Sometimes you need a little loving. Oh, you gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Domukono mukugo bumaniche kukora. Itakiwa crochet master. Yakugu kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, you are crochet master. Come on. Jangu. Together. Crochet master. Maurice. Yeah. Maurice. Crochet master. Sometimes you need a little loving. Oh, you gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Domukono mukugo bumaniche kukora. Itakiwa crochet master. Yakugu kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, you are crochet master. Come on. Jangu. Together. Crochet master. Maurice. Yeah. Maurice. Yeah. A one time, you know. Youngster. Hot it. Oh na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah. A one time, baby. Yeah. Hey, baby Chana, ya pretty Chana. Olabika bulungi uma baby Chana. Okuleddwa kaviri gwe koyolesa. Manikiwa pedikiwa nga tabu. Basiba obuviri mwato buliyo. Basiba emisono mwato giriko. Hair by clippers we baliko. If you wanna trend in style and fashion, balloon hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. It like expected. Yeah. Oh na 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 na. It like expected. Yeah. With the one crochet master, a big one. Yeah yeah. Oh na 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 na. Yeah. Hair by clippers. Oh na 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 na. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. It like expected. Yeah. Oh na 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 na. It like expected. Yeah. With the one crochet master, a big one. Yeah yeah. Oh na 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 na. Yeah. Hair by clippers. Oh na 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 na. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected.